I'll go, Sari.
Playing with me.
Hi, Sari. So what are you doing?
Numbers.
You're learning. You're playing with numbers.
Yeah.
Yep. Is that a puzzle game?
Yeah.
So you're trying to match them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Mm,
So you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5. Wow, Sari, you did a good job.
yeah.
Now, can you point the numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, you've got 10 numbers. What are the different colors?
Blue,
I think that's magenta,
magenta, purple, white purple,
purple,
purple, violet, blue,
teal,
teal, green, yellow, orange, and red.
and red. Wow, a lot of colors. So you've got 10 numbers, right? Yep. So Sari, what's the next activity? You will need to put the corresponding tile next to the number, right? Yep. So the first one is 1.
Up,
What is that? What's on the first tile?
pink,
What's this one?
pink, 1,
1 pig. And then what's next? What is that?
1.
What's after number 1?
Birds,
Birds. How many birds do you see?
1, 2.
2. All right. And then,
Maybe
what is that?
elephant.
Elephant. And how many elephants are there?
1, 2, 3.
3 elephants. And their color purple. Ooh. What is that, Sari?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur. And how many dinosaurs are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 dinosaurs. Nice. So what's after 4?
One. Cows.
Cows. How many
Cow.
cows are there?
1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Yeah.
Are you sure they're 4?
And 5.
5. All right, what's after 5? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what's after 5? What is that?
Seahorse.
A seahorse or a seal?
A seagull.
A seal?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many seals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yes, you're right. So after 5 is 6. Oopsie.
One, get it,
Please.
please.
So what's after 6?
Um,
How many? What are those? Cricket. Yep, cricket.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you count again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7.
7.
7 crickets. After 7 is
Yellow.
yellow. Is that the sun?
Yeah.
So how many suns do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. 8. That's right. So after 7 is 8.
Cabbage.
You've got how many carrots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 carrots. And the last tile would be
Tomato.
tomatoes. What's the last number? Number? That's Mommy's favorite number. Number
7.
10. Can you count the tomatoes? Make sure they're 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
Count properly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 tomatoes. Can you count the numbers again? So you've got, start from here. Start from 1.
Pink.
Mm-hmm. So can you point to me? 1.
2,
Point. Point it.
5, 6.
Again. Start with 1.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Just like your
Hands.
fingers. You've got how many fingers?
1, 2,
10.
10.